Is your Android device taking too much time to charge, or are you having slow charging issues on Xiaomi, or Vivo, or OnePlus, or Samsung Mobile? If so, then watch this video tutorial to learn how to solve slow charging issues on Android devices. Before you check anything, you need to look at the physical condition of your battery condition. Therefore, now first, if you type *#6485#*#*, this will tell you all the physical info about your battery. Now check MB6. If this says good, it means you don't have to worry. You can keep watching to solve the problem, and you can charge your device fast, but if it says not good, that means you have issues with your battery. Now, your battery says it's good. Next work you need to do is open settings, scroll down, choose battery saver and turn it on. Now choose Ultra Battery Saver. Turn this on. Now charge your device. Please consider using the original charging adapter. If you use third-party charger, your phone will take time to charge. Well, if you still see your device is not fast charging, still lasts, you can either turn off the airplane mode or you turn off your Android device. Now, if you still have anything to ask, be sure to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.